What am I going to do with you? Why, Marvin, why? You're a normal boy. You should have normal desires. Why couldn't you get a big car like your brother, the doctor? Or even a funny little car like your sister, the soldier? No, you had to get a Bananacuda.
Barracuda, Mama.
Barracuda, Carabuda, so who can tell the way it looks? Like a spaceship and so sporty with those, well, what do you call them? Those torsion barbers for the suspension?
Torsion bars, Mama, for stability.
Yeah, you should be so stable. And all these opticals.
Options.
What's this? A stick slip shifter?
That's a slapstick
An overhead constable?
console.
And buckling seats?
Bucket seats, Mama.
And look at those instruments. What are you, an airplane pilot or something? A normal car isn't good enough. You had to be fancy schmancy.
Mama, believe me, it makes it.
So when are you going to get a haircut? Look at you, believe me.
When normal isn't good enough, Plymouth makes it.
In 1970, the Plymouth Barracuda stormed onto the scene as one of the most iconic American muscle cars. This second generation, Cuda came equipped with a range of V8 engines that went from a 273 cubic inch to the legendary 425 horsepower 426 Hemi. Matched to manual transmissions, these power plants could launch the Cuda to 60 mph in under 6 seconds. Exterior styling highlighted the Barracuda's aggressive proportions, like its recessed chrome grille and scalloped body lines ready to pounce. Inside, bucket seats and fold-down rear seats accommodated both passengers and extra cargo. And out back, the signature circular taillights made it instantly recognizable as a Barracuda. The 1970 Plymouth Barracuda checked all the boxes: standout style, tire-melting power, and head-turning performance. It's no wonder gearheads today still see the '70 Cuda as the pinnacle of American muscle. Imagine pulling up next to one at a light and hearing its V8 roar. Could you resist dropping a gear and flooring it?